Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get live wallpapers on your Windows PC. And you can see this animated background. Now, this is really easy to do. The first thing you want to get is Lively from the Microsoft Store, and this is very easy to get. So you can see the option for Microsoft Store down here at the bottom, or just go to search and type in store. And you should find Microsoft Store on here. It comes with every Windows PC. Open this up, go to the top, and just type in Lively Wallpapers. So you can see what I have typed in here. It's just called Lively Wallpapers. So just type this in, press enter, and it should pop up for you. And that's the name of the application. It's just called Lively. So it's a lot easier just to install this through the Microsoft Store. It's free for you to get. So just hit install right here. Open this up just like this. And this is what it's going to look like. And then you're going to have the option to use one of these on here. So you can just click it and it should be your background. So I'm just going to minimize this now. So you can see I have Minecraft, and you can add custom ones. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So let's just go to this one, the matrix background. I can just switch it real quick. You can hit the three little dots that is live wallpaper too. And you can customize it too. There's a bunch of different settings in here. If you want to fit it, unfit it to your screen, etc. If there's some sound, you can mute it. Now, the cool thing about this is you can actually add your own. So you can go to a specific URL. You can just paste it in here. You can choose a file on your computer or advanced. And you can create a dynamic wallpaper too, if it's not dynamic already. Now, if you're having problems with your different monitors, you got 3 monitors, there's a button right here. Just select your main monitor. So I can just remove it here from monitor 1 and 2. So just select one monitor, click this and apply it. It should be on that monitor. Then click your second monitor, go to OK, and then click here and apply it. And boom, it's the background. Now we can go ahead and get some really cool custom animations if we go on over to google.com. Go to google.com, just type in motion BG. Space BG. And we can just go to the first link is motionbgs.com. It's got like 9,000 live wallpapers that are animated on here. So just go and just click on this. And you can see the URL up there, motionbgs.com. And find something you like down under this website. So there's a lot of like anime kind of looking stuff under here. I don't know what this is. Here's Batman. So let's go ahead and just find something. I was looking at I think I was looking at like Doom. So let's just type in Doom. And here's the Doom Slayer, Doom guy. And we can just go in and download something here. How about this one down here, the Doom internal one? And you can see there's some fire effects on here. That's kind of cool. Some lightning in the background. So all we have to do is scroll on down and go to 4K, or if you have 1080p for your laptop, it might be 1080p. So I'm going to choose the 4K wallpaper right here and download this. Find a location on your computer, a file. It's an MP4 video, and then go to save. Okay, so remember where that file is, or you can just drop and drag it into the website or Lively. So Lively usually minimizes to the system tray. So we might have to go to that and just open it up again. So I'm just going to open up Lively. And then here it is down here. Otherwise, you can just open it back up through the Microsoft Store if you can't find it. So the system tray should be down here in the bottom right, and there will be like a little arrow. Just hit that top, the arrow, and you should be able to find down here. So let's go to the plus icon now, add wallpaper, choose a file location, and I already have it set to my folder. So here's Doom Guy, I can just select it, and let's go to OK, and I'm going to add this to this list. So it's just going to take a second. You can see this little green bar loading. And we should be just about there. So just make sure you have it correct, and then it should be added. So that's how I got this Minecraft one on there too. So I'm going to close this one in the background now. And you can see Doom Guy's already on here. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. And you can just do this with all your monitors now, or you can add your own picture. So I like added this picture down here of my controller. And every time I move it, it kind of makes it dynamic in the background. So you can add your own custom pictures to this too. So just come up with some cool pictures, guys. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. down below.